Hi, my name is Brad Vicue. I am the Executive Chef for Residence Dining at UBC, and today we're going to learn how to roll a burrito. So one of the big challenges that I found when I first started cooking is when you're making a burrito, the end's breaking or products falling out of it. The solution for that I found, there's two really important things. One, make sure that you warm up your tortillas ahead of time. Once you've got a nice warm tortilla, I usually fill the ingredients, not overfilling. So you have to be careful. I have a tendency to make these much larger than they need to be and then have to back off. Even though you've got a large tortilla, you have to realize it takes a little bit to roll it up. So approximately half a cup of whatever your base is, add a little bit more of your toppings. In this I have pulled pork, beans, tomatoes, peppers, some jalapeno, a little bit of cheese. It's okay if your products run away on you. We are going to pull them back in a second. Finish it off with a little bit of guacamole, some salsa. You notice I'm putting it on either side so you don't have too much moisture all in one spot. A little bit of sour cream and a little bit of cilantro to finish. Now the key to the roll is start from the back, over the top, and then pull back towards you. This brings all the product together. A poke so that it goes into a V, and a fold. Fold. Keep it tight as you roll it. And as you can see, clean ends, both sides, and your burrito is done. And that's how you roll a burrito.